What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to put the icon or the shortcut of this Mozilla Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, have you ever experienced these things before? Once you already install this Mozilla, and if you don't find the shortcut over here, well guys, actually you can still access this Mozilla by clicking this search and type Mozilla, and this browser is ready to use guys. However, if you click this section and hold it to this desktop, unfortunately it cannot be the shortcuts for you guys. So the alternative that you can do is you can open this file location, and this will be the Firefox, and give the right click. And if you don't find the share, don't worry, because click this, you can click this show more options, and after that you can go to the send to and click this desktop as the shortcut guys. Like this will be the Firefox. And another alternative would be you can go to this Windows and click this all apps, and you can search for this Firefox, and after that you can start to click and hold this Firefox and move it here. So this will be the shortcuts or the icon Firefox that also be ready to use for you. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.